Hey everyone, today I'm doing a quick audit on a landing page that needs some tweaking. I'll be focusing on three main areas that, once improved, will create a more engaging experience and will help turn visitors into clients. Let's dive in. Okay, so this website is from JMS Heating and AC. The first thing I noticed as a visitor is how it's a bit overwhelming. It has like a lot of things going on at once. It's not necessarily guiding the visitor to where like the first info should be, second, guide them through. It's just like, okay, there's a nav at the left, there's services at the top, there's call to actions. It's a bit too much. So that's the first thing that I've noticed. Okay, the second thing I notice here is are the CTAs. The CTAs normally are unique because we're trying to create attention to that particular button. We're trying to get the visitors, the users to click on that particular button, because it's like important, either like book now or call now or sign up, things like that. So normally on websites you have cities with a particular color that attracts the user. This website has three three cities and one is learn more, the other is email now, the other is call now. So it's like, okay, which should I do? You're not guiding me enough to know what to do first. The third thing is the user experience. The user experience is not very smooth. Like I said, the first thing is it's like overwhelming. The second thing, I don't know which button you want me to go to first, because it's like you have three buttons here and they're all like, like telling me to do something and I don't know which one to do first. So the user experience is not very smooth, and that's one of the things that you should start a landing page with, making sure you guide the user through what they have to do or what you would like them to do, what you would like them to see. So that's the third thing. Okay, so with what I've done, the first thing you see when you come to this landing page is trusted AC services for your comfort. So it tells you immediately that, okay, we're trusted, we're an AC service, and we're here for your comfort. And you see you see a list of expectations, things to expect from them. Fast and emergency AC repair, affordable installation and replacement, licensed and trusted technicians, routine maintenance plans. So you see all of these things and you know what to expect from them. You have the license here to show you that, okay, they are a licensed company. You have location, Gmail, sorry, mail. You have location, mail, and number. You have your CTA here that shows like, okay, this is what we want you to do. Book a call with us, and then these are the services right here. So I place them under instead of on top. So yeah, I hope this video was beneficial to someone, and yeah, bye.